Hello student. Today we are doing chapter second of the grammar kinds of sentences, the for exercises. So as we know that we have five kinds of a sentence, and this sentence are imperative sentence, assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, optative sentence, and exclamative sentence. Right? That is know very well. So here have a textbook grammar textbook exercise we are doing today. So in the first exercise, some sentences are given below. Point out two kinds of each sentences. Again, some sentences are given below. Point out the kinds of a sentence each. So here the sentence is given to us. We have to recognize which types of either which kinds of a sentence it is. Okay. So the first one is, we must keep around our surrounding clean. Second one, do you come to school by bus? Third, I have done my homework. Fourth, do not feed the animal in the zoo. Fifth, hurrah, we have won the race. And sixth one is, God bless you. So, if you remember that I point out something to recognize, to understand, and to remember this kinds of a sentence very well. तो assertive सेंटेंस के लिए हमने अज्यूम किया था नॉर्मल सिंपल सेंटेंस लाइक अ ओबीडियंट स्टूडेंट, राइट. इम्परेटिव के लिए हमने assume किया था that our teacher, right, the teachers always says do that, don't do that, instructions, commands. So that this kinds of a sentence we are including in a imperative sentences. Interrogative, as we know that at the end of the sentence it is a question. It shows we are asking, either somebody ask us questions, right. Optative sentence, it means we are here assume our grandparents, and grandparents always gives us the blessings and wishes, right. So here optative, we assume our grandparents. And exclamatory, it shows our sudden feelings of joy, sorrows, surprises, shocks, right. So remember this important things or person in your mind according to the kinds of sentences, and then after you solve this exercise and it will be quick and it will be easy for you. Okay, so here we must keep our surrounding clean. Normal simple sentence like obedient student, right. And या तो फिर ये क्वेश्चंस है या फिर एनी एडवाइजेस या तो कुछ फीलिंग्स है. आपको क्या लग रहा है हमें? वी मस्ट कीप अवर सराउंडिंग क्लीन. दिस इज सम एडवाइजेस दिस सेंटेंस टेल अस. सो एडवाइस कौन देता है? टीचर, राइट. तो अगर ये टीचर देता है तो टीचर वाला कौन है? इम्परेटिव. So this first one sentence is our imperative sentence. Now second one, do you come to school by bus? Normal simple sentence. Question mark, either interrogative sentence, advice or instructions is there, के feelings है. Obviously क्वेश्चन मार्क है तो इट इज़ अ इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस, राइट. डू यू कम टू स्कूल बाय बस? आप स्कूल बस से आते हो? दिस इज अ क्वेश्चन, तो इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस. थर्ड वन, आई हैव डन माई होमवर्क. नॉर्मल सिंपल सेंटेंस, राइट. तो इट इज़ अ assertive sentence. Now fourth one, do not feed the animal in the zoo. ये नहीं करना है. Instructions, right. So it is an imperative sentence. Hurrah, we have won the race. Feeling express, right. So here expressing word, feeling word, hurrah, joy word, right. So it is a exclamatory sentence. Now God bless you. कुछ ब्लिंक हो रहा है, our grandparents, तो it is a optative sentence. Easy? Do it again. Start. We must keep our surrounding clean. It is advice, right? So it is a imperative sentence. Do you come to school by bus? Asking something. So it is a interrogative sentence. I have done my work. सिंपल नॉर्मल सेंटेंस कि मैंने मेरा वर्क ख़त्म कर दिया है. Assertive sentence. Now fourth one, do not feed the animal in the zoo. इट इज़ अ एडवाइस कि हमें जू में एनिमल्स को खाना नहीं खिलाना है. एडवाइस, आइदर इंस्ट्रक्शन यू कैन इंक्लूडेड. तो इम्परेटिव सेंटेंस. फिफ्थ वन, हुर्रा वी हैव वॉन द रेस. So it is a sudden feeling of winning that race. So it is a exclamatory sentence. God bless you. It is a blessings. So it is a optative sentence. So this is our first exercise. Very easy and simple. Now after that exercise B says try to write one sentence of your own for each of the following kinds of a sentence. So here यहाँ पे क्या था कि sentence दिया था. For that you have to identify which kind of the sentence it is. And यहाँ पे उल्टा है. The kinds of a sentence is given to you. You have to make some sentence regarding it kinds, right? So here assertive, imperative, interrogative, optative and exclamatory. All five kinds of a sentence give to us. Assertive sentence, it means normal simple sentence. Imperative statement is instructions and suggestions, right, is there. Now interrogative sentence, you asking some questions. Fourth one, optative, it means always blessings and wishes are there. And exclamatory, in that you are expressing your feelings. So I am here trying to make some sentences. After that you can also make a few more sentences by your own. Try it at your home. So here I give some examples. Assertive sentence. Assertive sentence, I choose here that we respect our teacher, right? Either assertive sentence, I am a girl. Possible? Yes. Now imperative sentence. Don't pluck the flower. Right? ये नहीं करना है. Please switch off the fan. So these are a imperative statement. Interrogative statement. What is your father name? Questions, right? What is your name? So this sentences are an interrogative sentence. Optative sentence. Here we write some feelings. Here we write some blessings and wishes. So we can write here, God be with you, happy birthday, wishing you very very happy birthday. So this type of sentence we can write here. Now exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory में हम कर सकते हैं, हुर्रा I have won the first prize, right? Oh, my friend is fail again. So this type of a sentence we are here writing. Again, assertive, imperative, interrogative, optative and exclamatory. We can choose here from also that assertive sentence. So I have done my work. Here is also given assertive sentence. Write imperative sentence. So we can write here, God bless you. Interrogative sentence, do you come to school by bus? Here, right? Optative sentence, it means optative sentence says God bless you. Imperative statement, it says do not feed the animal in the zoo. Exclamatory sentence, hurrah, we have won the race. So it is a very easy, normal and simple. If you know the concept of the kinds of a sentence very well, if you distinguish some as I tell you some persons, right? If you connect that person with that kinds of a sentence and stick in your mind that in a future anywhere you easily simply do solve these questions very quickly, right? You just assume what I said to connect a person with that kind of a sentences, right? That optative sentence, it shows that we have to assume here grandparents. Exclamative sentence, express your sudden feelings. Interrogative sentence, we assume here a policeman that always asking some questions, right? Imperative statement is always our teacher that gives us instructions, commands, right? Suggestions. These all are in a imperative statement. And assertive sentence is, it is a normal simple sentence like obedient student. तो हमें ये जो भी लोग हैं उसको इसके साथ स्टिक करके रखना है इन अवर माइंड ऑल्सो, तो आप ये सारी चीज़ें सॉल्व कर सकते हो इजीली. अगेन ये जो मैंने आपको दिए हैं एग्जाम्पल्स पर्सन्स के, ये हमारी बुक में नहीं है, ये मैंने फाइंड आउट किए हैं, ट्राई किया है बच्चों के साथ एक्सप्लेन करके या बच्चों के साथ कन्वर्जेशन करके. दैट विल हेल्प यू अ लॉट, क्योंकि उनको ऐसे ये जल्दी याद रहता है. तो मैंने आपको ये एग्जाम्पल दिया है अगेन, तो आप इसके साथ रिलेट कर सको, पर्सन के साथ रिलेट कर सको, और उसके साथ ही आपको ये सारे भी काइंड्स ऑफ अ सेंटेंस है, आप इजीली उसको लर्न कर सकते हो. अगर ऐसे में आपको एक्सप्लेन कर दूँ ये दिस आर 5 काइंड्स ऑफ अ सेंटेंस, दिस एंड दैट, तो आपको ये सारा चीज़ें रट्टा मारना पड़ेगा. दिस इज़ नॉट फॉर अ लॉन्ग टर्म पर्पस, राइट? ये हमें जो भी चीज़ें हैं वो लाइफ टाइम के लिए हमारे दिमाग में लॉक कर देना है. तो ये चीज़ें आपको पर्टिकुलर पर्सन के साथ अगर आप कनेक्ट करोगे तो ये काइंड्स ऑफ अ सेंटेंस आप कभी भी नहीं भूल पाओगे. ओके, सो मुझे पता है आपने बहुत अच्छे से वीडियो देखा हुआ है, आपने मैंने जो भी बोला उसके साथ कनेक्ट करके ये सारे सेंटेंसेस समझे हुए हैं. तो आई नो कि कभी भी वापस भी ये सारी एक्सरसाइज होगी या आप करोगे या आप दूसरों को हेल्प करोगे एक्सप्लेन करने में, तो कभी भी आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होने वाली. सो दीज आर अवर क्वेश्चंस, these are our exercises. So again, revise all the chapter by your own and do it this exercise as I explained, as I told you all the answers. So do it with your own, try it. Okay, I know you will do it definitely a perfect answer. Okay, so see you in the next session.